What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to add custom alarm sounds here to your alarm application on your iPhone app. And the coolest part is that you can also add custom songs as well. For example, you can play your favorite song in here, waking you up every time you have an alarm playing. For example, I can set my favorite artist, which is Biggie, here every morning, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do that in today's video. This is so interesting, and it's easy to actually perform, so you can actually listen to your favorite song every time your alarm plays. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, the very first thing in here, in order to proceed with the process, is of course to download the specific song or audio file that you wish to edit into your alarm, okay? You need to create the sound, you need to download it from the internet or anything like that, but you need to have a specific song or audio to actually set it up. So hop into your internet browser real quick and then go straight into google.com. So once you're here on Google, I want you to search for the specific audio file or song that you wish to download. For example, if it's Biggie, in my case, I'll be going with Biggie, Hypnotized. It's the title of the song. And then I'm gonna tap on MP3 download. Okay, MP3 is the format most commonly used in order to identify audio or music files. Simply tap on search and you'll be able to download that specific song or audio file from the internet. So you need to locate it on the internet and download it. Now, please note that there's no linear way of downloading from a specific website every time, because your song might be in a specific website according to your region or your artist. So you need to download it and save it here into your Files app, okay? Once you download it, it will be here automatically saved in the Files app under the Downloads category, as you can see in here. I've already downloaded mine in here, so as you can double check, downloads, there we go. It's already been downloaded. So once you're done downloading it and you know where exactly your file is in the Files app, we then need to open up App Store and download this app known as GarageBand. So you just need to search here at the top for GarageBand. Okay, this is an app which automatically comes downloaded with your phone inbuilt as soon as you buy your iPhone device. But you might be in a situation where you've accidentally uninstalled it. So all you need to do is simply download it here from the App Store, and once you're done downloading it, simply tap on open to launch the application. Now, once you launch the app, you'll be able to see that your phone will automatically rotate to the horizontal form in here. This is normal because the app actually is navigated on landscape position. So once you're here, you just want to slide all the way to audio recorder. You want to tap on audio recorder and then you'll be brought to this section right here. The next thing you need to do, the very first thing in here, is to actually tap on this blue button because you want to turn it to white. Otherwise, we'll have problems in here while creating the alarm or the ringtone, okay? Next up, the next thing we're going to do is tap here on this bricks in here, okay? And we want to change it to the microphone. It's going to switch to a microphone icon as soon as you tap on that specific bricks logo there. Next up, we need to tap on this plus icon at the top right corner in here. It's very small and it's not so easy to tap, okay? There we go, a few tries. Oops, just a second. Looks like I've messed up. There we go. Plus, plus, plus. There we go, finally. My finger is kind of fat, so it's hard to tap on it, but there we go, I've already tapped on it. Next up, simply tap here on sections, and you want to make sure that automatic is switched off. You don't want to keep it on, otherwise it will not allow you to manually adjust the bars. So you need to keep it off, and then you want to actually increase the bars all the way to 30 in here, okay? So you can have a good length of that specific ringtone or alarm that you wish to create. Next up, simply tap on done, and you'll immediately be able to see that the length of the graph in here automatically shrinks, okay? Next up, we'll tap here on this little loop logo button in here, tap once on it, and then we need to tap here on files to navigate to that specific file that we've just downloaded, the specific audio track or music or song that we've just downloaded from the internet, right? So simply tap here on browse from the Files app, and then you just need to locate the specific song. Okay, you can go back, for example, back, and then over here you'll be able to see iCloud Drive on my iPhone downloads folder. Okay, if you do have any issues, you can also navigate through these categories: shared, recent, browse, okay, and then simply tap on downloads, which in most case scenarios it will be located over there. Next up, this is my song. Tap once on it, it's going to import it to your library in here. Wait for a couple seconds. There we go, already appeared in here. Next up, press and hold and drag it all the way to the app here right at the beginning, and simply leave your finger or release it in order to paste the song over there. Next up, the next thing we're going to do in here is play it once to see where exactly it starts. There we go. Song starts here, keeps on playing. Let's say that I wish to actually listen to that specific part where the artist starts singing, which is somewhere close to this. So in that case, we need to trim that song so it doesn't start with the instrumental part. So I'm going to tap once on this song, and then I'm going to simply bring this here in order to trim it. The way we manage CapCut applications, video editing apps, stuff like that. Next up, I'm going to play it once again here from the beginning to see if I'm already on that specific desired point or starting point. Let me tap on play. So I'm almost there. It starts right here, but it happens that I don't have a good visibility. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maximize in here the wave, okay, increase it, and then I'll be able to see that the song starts right here. And then I'm going to simply trim it right here. There we go. Let me now try playing the song once again to see if I'm already in my position. There we go. Exactly where I want it to start. So once I'm satisfied, I'm gonna of course shrink it a bit, and then I'm gonna simply move this song to the position or minute 0 or second 0, exactly where the audio file starts. So once I'm done creating my specific custom alarm or ringtone, the next thing I'm gonna do is tap on this little arrow in here, which is pointed downwards, tap on songs, and then I'll be able to see here loading at the left. So the first song at the left is the one that you've just recently exported. I do have a few others in here because I use this app often, okay? Next up, simply press and hold on it and then release it, and then tap here on share, and then tap on ringtone, and then simply tap on continue, and then simply name that specific ringtone or alarm. I'm gonna call it new alarm. And then I'm going to tap here on export, and there we go. Ringtone export successful. Simply tap on OK, close GarageBand real quick. And then now you can open up the clock application. Let's quickly create here specific alarm. Okay, at this time, let me tap here on sound, and here we go. The alarm that I've created is known as new alarm. It's right here. This is the song. Tap on back, tap on save, and you're good to go. Alarm has been created, and you'll be able to listen that specific custom song every time your alarm plays. Now, please note that as an extra bonus, you can also now customize your ringtone as well on your iPhone device. You've already created a specific alarm or ringtone, so if you hop into ringtones in here, and if I tap on my specific number, my SIM1, there we go, my new alarm is already showing up in here. So I can also receive phone calls and have my phone playing this specific song. That's how easy you can actually set custom alarm sounds and ringtones here on your iPhone device. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions or doubts regarding this process. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.